Hi, I'm Miss Contini, and I will be reading How to Talk to Your Computer by Seymour Simon, illustrated by Mike Lowry. Please throw me the ball, you tell your friend. Your friend picks up the ball and throws it to you. But he could have done a number of things, such as bounce the ball or throw it to another person. If you tell your computer to throw you the ball, the computer will always do the same thing. The computer is totally obedient and does exactly what you want. The challenge is speaking a language the computer can understand. Please throw me the ball. You must tell a computer exactly what you want it to do, step by step. If you leave out a step, the computer will do things wrong, or it will just not know what to do. Unlike your friend, the computer doesn't know how to do much without your help. All robots are run by computers. You can think of the computer as the robot's brain. Imagine that you have a robot friend. You call it EZ. Throw me the ball, EZ. EZ stands still. Beep, beep, error, it says. It doesn't know how to do what you ask. It needs more complete directions. This is what I want you to do, you tell EZ. Pick up the ball with your right hand. Bring your right arm back over your head. Move your right hand forward quickly toward me and release the ball. I understand. Beep, beep. Now the computer and the robot can follow your directions. EZ picks up the ball and throws it to you. Awesome. Your friend can do the same things that you told EZ the robot to do, but he does not have to be told how to do it step by step. He knows what you mean because he has thrown a ball many times in the past. A digital tablet and a smartphone are computers. They can't do new things unless you give them exact instructions. If you want a computer to do something new, you have to tell it what to do. We tell a computer what to do by using a computer program. A program is a list of steps to follow to do a task, like throwing a ball. These steps are called statements when you write them for computers. You also have to write programs in programming languages that computers can understand. Programs can be short or long. Some computer programs are thousands of steps long. Others are only 2 or 3 steps long. Here is a short program for you. Make believe you are a computer. Read all 3 steps in this program and then follow them. Kid computers. Step 1, turn over this page. Step 2, look at the top of the left-hand page. Step 3, read the red letters. Congratulations! You followed the steps in the program correctly. How do you tell a computer the program you want it to follow? One way is to use a keyboard to talk to a computer. You type letters, numbers, and symbols such as an asterisk or a question mark on the keyboard. The letters, numbers, and symbols you type on the keyboard tell the computer what to do. You can talk to some computers or they can talk to you too. A computer talks to you with pictures or words on a screen called a monitor. It can also talk out loud with words from speakers. Cat. Tablets and smartphones have speakers, screens, and keyboards too. How do programs work exactly? Think back to when you told Easy to throw the ball. There are only 3 steps in the program for throwing a ball, so it's important that Easy does them in the right order. If Easy tried to throw the ball before it picked it up, Easy would just get confused. In all programs, big and small, you need to make sure the steps happen in the right order. If Easy was building a house, for example, what if it started with the roof before the walls? That wouldn't really work. When you talk to computers, you have to make sure you tell them exactly what to do and when you want it to do it. Otherwise, they might get things wrong. Now, what if you told Easy how to jump rope? You and your friend would each hold one end of the rope and start moving it in circles over Easy's head. But Easy might not know what to do. Even if you told Easy to jump, it might do it too early or too late. Not yet, Easy. We haven't started yet. A condition. Easy should only jump if the rope is about to come around and swing under its feet. This kind of if-then is called a conditional statement. Don't jump if the rope is in the air. If the rope is about to hit the ground in front of you, then jump. Look at that. Easy learned how to jump over the rope. Jump if the rope is on the ground. A loop. At the moment, Easy only jumps one time. If you want Easy to keep jumping over the rope, you have to tell it what to do every time. Instead of repeating yourself, let's change our instructions at the beginning to tell Easy to jump over the rope 10 times. Now Easy will do the action 10 times, and you don't need to repeat yourself. In a program, this way of repeating an action is called a loop. Loops tell the computer to do something a certain number of times. It could be done 1 time or 1,000. Say you wanted to teach Easy how to use a yo-yo. You would tell Easy to throw the yo-yo down, then catch it when it comes up again. You could get your robot friend to do it many times in a row. It could even be a loop that never ends. But then Easy would never get a break. Maybe that's enough. A function. Now you know how to tell Easy all kinds of instructions. But wouldn't it be easier if you didn't need to say the instructions every single time? Otherwise, programming would probably be a real pain. When you write a program, you write down the instructions in something called a function. It is a recipe your computer can look at to tell. I'm going to go back to the beginning of that sentence. It's like a recipe your computer can look at when you tell it what to do. For example, you could give Easy the recipe for making a peanut butter sandwich. Peanut butter sandwich. Step 1. Take 2 slices of bread, a jar, peanut butter, and a butter knife. Step 2. Lay the slices of bread side by side. Step 3. Use the knife to spread peanut butter on one slice. Step 4. Pick up the other slice and place it on the first slice. You can have functions for everything you want Easy to do. After you give Easy the functions, it should know then your program is as simple as, hi Easy, today we're going to make a peanut butter sandwich, then jump rope, then play catch. Functions make programs easier to write and understand, and it means that you only need to get the instructions right the first time. When you combine functions, conditionals, and loops, you can really start to make your computer do amazing things, like build a race car. Cool! Here's what we've learned. Now you know how to talk to your computer. You can talk to your computer by giving it instructions on a keyboard. The instructions must be step by step and they have to be in order. Computer instructions are called a program and they use things like statements, conditionals, and functions to tell computers what to do. Learning to talk to your computer is like learning a new language. At first, it doesn't make sense, and you're not even sure what you want to say. But after you learn how to talk to your computer, you'll find lots of things you want to tell it to do. I'll take another peanut butter sandwich, please. So there is a game here called the robot game. You can lead your friend to buried treasure using some fun steps and arrows to give your friend directions. And in this section, there are some online resources listed and websites that give children the opportunity to code and to practice using the steps that we just talked about in the book. So I will post these wonderful resources in the description of this video. Thank you so much for reading along with me today. It was a pleasure to learn more about how computers know what we need them to do and why. Pretty amazing. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye.